Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. Samsung's foldable lineup has been predictable, while rivals like Huawei and Oppo push innovation. However, a leak suggests the Galaxy Z Fold 7, launching in late 2025, will bring a key change: a slimmer design while sticking to Samsung's familiar foldable approach. Curious? Please watch until the end. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to be 9.5 millimeters thick when folded, making it 1.5 millimeters slimmer than the Z Fold 6 and even thinner than the Z Fold Special Edition when unfolded. It will feature a Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, a 4,400 mAh battery with no major upgrades in endurance or charging, a 6.5-inch OLED cover screen, and an 8.2-inch inner flexible display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, matching the Galaxy S25 Ultra, while the ultra-wide and telephoto sensors will remain at 12 megapixels and 10 megapixels, respectively. This could mark a major upgrade for foldable phone photography. Samsung might introduce a tri-fold phone alongside the Z Fold 7 and Flip model in 2025. Inspired by Huawei's Mate X-T, it reportedly features a dual-display setup based on the Galaxy Flex G concept, folding across two crease lines for a three-layer design when closed. Expected to launch in July 2025, it will be produced in limited quantities and select markets, marking one of Samsung's boldest foldable innovations yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 brings refinements with a slimmer design and upgraded cameras. But the real game changer could be Samsung's tri-fold phone, expected in limited markets by mid-2025. If successful, it could reaffirm Samsung as the leader in foldables. Would you prefer the sleek Z Fold 7 or the bold tri-fold? Share your thoughts below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.